In Australia's booming corrections sector, with 46,919 prisoners and a dedicated workforce of 20,200, are you, as a serving officer or veteran, ready to fast-track from frontline to leadership? 3CIR's veteran-led corrections courses transform your experience via recognition of prior learning. Earn the CSC40122 Certificate IV in Correctional Practice for skills in security, offender supervision, and cultural awareness, or the CSC50122 Diploma of Correctional Administration for advanced leadership in decisions, team management, and offender strategies. Nationally recognized under AQF, Fast RPL with no prerequisites, just 2+ years experience. Get 25% off as an emergency services member, finish in weeks, and tackle real issues like managing diverse populations where Indigenous prisoners make up 37%. Ignite your career surge. Claim your free RPL assessment today. Visit 3CIR.com/services/courses/corrections. Enroll now and lead safer communities. Your breakthrough is calling. Answer it.